Hey everyone, welcome back. I got this clock making kit from Attribution. So let's start the process to paint it. First of all, remove all the accessories and keep it aside. Now we'll start with the base. For MDF base, I'm using this primer. It's a clear gesso from Attribution. You can use a flat brush for applying the primer. Once the primer layer is completely dry, you can start with the base. For base layer, I'm using this chalk paint again from Attribution. The shade I'm using is deep blue sea. For better finish, apply the primer and base layer on both sides of the MDF and don't miss the edges. Now let's do the pattern. For pattern, again I'm using chalk paints and these are squeeze bottles which I got it from Amazon. Please comment below if you like to have the link. For larger dots, I'm using dotting tools. Please check the description to see the shades which I am using for the mandala art. Now the mandala pattern is complete. For the top coat, you can either apply varnish, but today I'm using resin. This epoxy clear resin is also from brand Misty. You need to mix the resin and hardener as per the instruction. I'll soon upload a detailed video on how I use resin for my art pieces. After leveling the resin, you may need to apply a little heat. And that will help you to remove any extra bubbles trapped inside. Depending upon thickness, it may take at least 24 hours for proper curing. And after curing, this is how your top coat looks. For indicators, I have given a coat of primer and white chalk paint. Once it is dry, I am giving a coat of gloss varnish also. Once the varnish is dry, you can start sticking them. Our base is completely done. Now you can fix the base and needles as per the instruction. And that's it, our cloak is ready to hang. Thanks for watching, see you soon with another video.